good morning to Sir Hafiz. My name is CLERA NACHA Anak James Maling. Today, I would like to introduce my group member, MASHITAH MAHIRAH binti Merali, Nur AMNAH ATIERAH binti Maslan, and JOSHERILIN UKAL anak Jonathan Sirai.
Thank you, CLERA, for introducing our members.
I am the first presenter, AMNAH ATIERAH.
Introduction. Modern crop production involves quick and correct decisions coupled with high level of technical management to improve productivity, minimize production costs, and to maximize profit. Optimal crops and machinery combination are essential for a successful farming system. Farm machinery cost represents higher proportion of total farm cost. Furthermore, larger machines, new technology, higher prices for parts and new machinery, and higher energy influence machinery costs. Besides, prices have caused machinery and power costs to rise in recent years. Therefore, the manager should make smart decisions to control the machinery and power costs per hectare in order to minimize costs as much as 10,000 ringgit per hectare and have a quality work done. All of these decisions require accurate estimates of the cost of owning and operating farm machinery. Okay then, I will pass the slide to our next presenter, CLERA NACHA.
For this video presentation, we choose to solve the calculation for question 2. We must list all the information given before we proceed this calculation. Based on the shown on the slide, purchase price was given 11,500. Expected lifespan of the machine is 7 years. Repair and maintenance of the machine is 6.5% of the purchase price per 100 hour. And logging capacity 0.8 hectare per hour at average usage of 250 hectare annually.
Assalamualaikum sir, I am MASHITAH MAHIRAH binti Merali. So, I would like to explain the solution for question 2. Before we calculate all of the values being asked in the question, we must calculate the area for 2 years because in the question asks for 2 consecutive years. Therefore, 250 hectare per year with times with 2 years. So we can get the area of 2 years is 500 hectare. Next, we need to find the plough capacity for 2 years, which is 500 hectare we divide by 0.8 hectare per hour and we can get 625 hours for 2 years. This value will be used to calculate the running hour for the machine for 1 year. Therefore, 625 hours we divide by 2 years. The running hour for the machine for 1 year is 312.50 hours per year. This value will be used to calculate the repairing value later. After we find this basic value, we can calculate all of the values in the equation. As you can see on the screen, there are all of the values that we had calculated. Firstly, we find for the depreciation formula is purchase price times rate of depreciation. Rate of depreciation based on the equation. For the first year, 26% and 6% for the second year. Next, remaining value, also known as net book value. We can find the remaining value by minus purchase price with depreciation value. Next is ISTI value. For ISTI value, we multiply purchase price of the year with rate of ISTI given in the equation, which is 13.1%. Last but not least, the repair value formula is rate of repair times purchase price times running hours per 100. So, total cost of this tractor in 2020 is 15,342 ringgit 44 cent and 2021 is 11,893 ringgit and 86 cent.
Hello, my name is JOSHERILIN. I'm going to present the conclusion. From the calculation, we can conclude that this machine can running for 312.5 hours for every 1 year. The total of machinery cost for 2020 is Rm 15,342.44 cent, more higher than 2021. As the depreciation rate for the first year is 26%, while for the second year is 6%. All of the value that have been calculated is depending to the depreciation value of the year. By calculating all of these, values, we can actually manage the machinery and power cost per hectare in order to minimize costs to gain more profit. Thus, we can make the assumption for the budget of the operation of the machine before we use it. Thank you.